You can also access it here using the Tor network. This is what the website looks like. The usage is described here in 3 steps. I think it's really good. I use it regularly now. Let's go to the home page. Here we select which coin we want to exchange or mix. I'll choose Ethereum for now. Here is what we want to exchange it for. We choose whether we want to exchange or mix it. We enter the amount of coins, and then click on Continue. We enter our refund crypto address in case of an error, where the funds would be returned. We enter the crypto address where we want to receive the exchanged or mixed amount. Then we click the Confirmation and Payout button. Under You Send, we need to transfer that exact amount within 15 minutes to the address shown here in the QR code. You can also copy the address using the Copy button below it. After transferring, all we have to do is wait for the system to exchange or mix the crypto, depending on what we chose. I think it's a great tool. I always use it. Thanks for watching my video.